ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास चतुस्त्रिंशत् 34। अद्यतनप्रत्ययः अस्ति शत्रुप्रत्ययः। शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तरूपः अस्ति। शत्रुप्रत्ययः इस् वाट् वी यूस् फार् like continuous tense, what we call in English ing forms, whether past, present or future. So he was going, he will be going, he is going. The difference is, for example, when we say sa gacchati is he goes, the purest translation. And with Shatrupratyaanta Rupa, sa gacchan asti, that will come here. So this is the difference. Shatrupratya is very useful when you have multiple kriyas, longer sentences. It is a very kind of versatile kind of pratyaya, as like similar to kta and ktavatu. So for example, if we take pat dhatu, nij pratyanta rupa will be kim bhavati. Nij pratyanta rupaha kim asti. हाँ, सन प्रत्यय विपठिष्यति अपि च क्त प्रत्यय पठितः अथवा पठिता अथवा पठितं whichever. अपि च क्तवतु प्रत्यय पठितवान्, बहु सम्यक् अस्ति। पठितवान्, पठितवत्, पठितवती, whichever. अपि च अद्य शत्रुप्रत्ययरूपः will come later. So प्रथमः मति शब्द, मति इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग. So now we have finished the pullinga shabdas, all of them. Akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, rukaranta, annanta, all of the pullingas have been finished. Akaranta pullinga example would be सत्यम। हाँ, ईकारांत पुल्लिंग
मति
इज ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग मति ही। ईकारांत पुल्लिंग हरिः, सत्यम हरिः। उकारांत पुल्लिंग गुरुः। Which one? भानुः, सत्यम। अपि च ऋकारान्त पुल्लिंग
like hari, hara.
हरा will be अकारान्त पुल्लिंग, हरः, जैसे रामः। ऋ it has to be, not ऋ, not ऋ also, ऋ like ऋतु ना, ऋग्वेद in that way.
रू में एंड कुछ होता है?
रू is different, like guruhu.
हाँ जी, but in रू does anything end like the रू that you are mentioning?
पितृ
starts है.
पितृ,
oh okay.
पितृ शब्द is there. त्वष्ट्र.
So that way shatru.
हाँ, शत्रु, but shatru is रू. Shatru is like guru. Ukara is there at the end. It is like, actually at some point we should have a board actually. Anyway, so Ukaranta is there in Guru, Shatru, Pitru. Correct. Trinavada. So Pitru in that way. Pitru, and also there was they had given one more Bhratru, and one separate one they had given Kartru. Kartru, Pitru, all these are Rukaranta. Fir Okaranta Pullinga. O also we had Okaranta.
Shambho.
Shambhu, that is Ukaranta. Shambhu. Shambhu will become Shambho.
That we do, that one.
But Shambho is Sambodhana Vibhakti. It is of Guru.
Yes.
Like Guru is Hey Guru, Shambhu is Hey Shambho. In that. Okaranta is Go, cow. Go. Go is Okaranta Pullinga. They had said Go will be both Pullinga and Strilinga. Both are Go. They say Gauhu it will become. Pratama Ekavachana. Go. Apicha Takaranta Pullinga. We did Takaranta as well. Takaranta will be Bhagavat. Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha. They say Bhagavat. Can you hear me? If you can't hear me, send a message because there is some issue with my laptop of late. Sometimes can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Okay. So there is some trouble there where I am not able to hear. Sometimes nobody can hear me. So this laptop, apparently it is a well-known issue in the laptops. So this port automatically gets changed to the headphones port. So certainly you have to keep checking.
So I was saying the Shabda Jagat.
Jagat, Satyam, Jagat. You're correct. I couldn't hear. Bhagavat Jagat is correct.
No, the whole Jagat heard it. I said at least 5 times.
Yeah, I will check. I don't know why this thing, there is some issue. Anyway. Ananta. Ananta Pullinga.
Okay. Mein anta bana.
Ananta. That way it is. Ananta. But what we did last. Atman. Atman. Brahman.
Rajan.
Ah,
Oh,
Rajan.
Brahman.
All this. This is all Ananta. This is not Brahman of Brahmajnanam. This is Brahman as of Brahmaji. Brahmajnanam is only Brahma. That is all. So that is later. That will come later. That is, there is a new pratyaya there. We will see that later. Ananta is Atman, Rajan, etc. And there is also Innanta. So there are a lot. Innanta is Karin. Karin also we had seen. Akaranta Pullinga, Ikaranta Pullinga, Ukaranta Pullinga, Takaranta Pullinga, Annanta Pullinga, Innanta Pullinga, Rukaranta Pullinga. 7 Pullinga
So
Shabda.
Swamin.
Swamin. Swamin is Innan. That. But Swamin, there is a pratyaya in the Swamin Shabda. That is where it makes like Karin. But yes, it is that, like that. So all these are different shrenis of Pullinga Shabda. Now we have reached Strilinga. So the first one we saw was Rama. Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Rama, Rama, Lata, Balika. All this is Akaranta Strilinga. Then this is the second one. Ikaranta Strilinga. Did we see Nadi Shabda? Nadi we have not seen. That will come later.
Yesterday we saw.
Acha, yesterday we see? Okay. So Nadi also is done. Ikaranta Strilinga. And Mati is Hraswa. Ikaranta Strilinga.
Ikara.
Matihi. Buddhi. Shrutihi. All these are Ikaranta Strilinga. Today every word, right till the last word, everything is Ikaranta Strilinga. Matihi Buddhi. Shrutihi. Shru. Shru Dhatu. Shrutihi. What is heard? Veda. Smritihi. जो स्मरण किया. Smritihi. Bhumihi. Prithvi. Earth. Panktihi. Line. Oshadihi. Dawa. medicine, herb also. Shrenihi, kaksha, like category, like how Nachiketa also said in Kathopanishad. He said bahunam emi pratamaha, bahunam emi madhyamaha. In the beginning it comes. Nachiketa said, among many I am first. That is first category, second category. And then in Hindi Anuvada they'll say Shreni. Shreni is category in that way. Shreni hi kaksha. Angula.
Shreni and Koti.
Shreni and
Koti.
Koti.
Huh.
Koti, you can say. Koti is like, you can say category, but Koti is generally used also in like, Shreni is used for people.
That is in unit of nation, right?
Correct.
Crores के लिए जो use होता है.
That also.
But also it is
Correct.
When we say that is Koti Devta,
Exactly.
then we say that it has three categories उसको समझा जाए.
Exactly. So it has both meanings, both the number and category. Shreni is generally used for people and individuals, etc. Koti is sometimes used like an idea. Recently there was one Koti in Brihadaranyaka, which meant the category Koti. Like party, party, or like when there are three groups, so this is a group, Koti. That. Then Shreni will be like categories, different categories. Anguli, finger. Pritihi, prema, love. Anuraktihi, anuraga, affection, fondness. Kantihi, chamak, glow or brightness. Shantihi, shanti, peace. Prakritihi, swabhava or prakriti, both. Swabhava, nature. Prakriti, external nature. So both are prakriti. In 13th chapter of Gita, for example, prakriti shabda comes many times. But Bhagavan uses prakriti for swabhava also in, like, I think Ashri Sampad, Devi Sampad, maybe there is one prakriti which means swabhava. Bhakti hi devotion. Bhakti hi devotion. Bhakti. Shakti hi power. Murti hi Bhagavan. Idol. Paddhati hi marga अथवा विधि. Marga, rasta, paths. Or vidhi, the way to do something. Paddhati. Samriddhi, vriddhi. Samitihi, sabha. Suktihi, sabha like Janaka Maharaja Sabha and that the group, council.
Guru Sabha, like that.
Yes, like Pandita Sabha or many other.
Samriddhi is like some upasarga purvak.
Correct. So Samriddhi is also some upasarga purvak. Some upasarga purvak riddhihi. Some upasarga purvak iti, actually here iya dhatu, but samitihi you can say. Samitihi is a well-known word. So there will be some words where the upasarga means something totally different and the upasarga will change the meaning and the upasarga will be known using the base word. Samitihi, the upasarga word is more well known than the base word. So there will be both kinds of this difference we will see. Suktihi subhashitaha, that is like sukti, Purusha suktam that way, but suktihi here will be subhashita. What is said, well known kind of words, etc. Speeches, etc. Niyatihi, bhagya. Niyati is also upasarga, ni upasarga. Sukti also su upasarga. Su upasarga uktihi. Uktihi is to speak, right? Su upasarga subhashita, in that way. Vyaktihi, and sam means generally sam upasarga means samyak. Samyak riddhihi, samriddhihi. In that sense it becomes sam shabda. Like sambhavati, a few months ago in Brihadaranyaka, that sambhavataha, twice it came. One of them is samyak. Samyak bhavataha, sambhavataha. Niyati ni upasarga purvak, vyaktihi vi upasarga purvak, ratrihi tishtitihi, there are no upasarga. Ratrihi titihi, night and titihi, day, etc. Titihi, star, day. Nakshatra, whatever. Tithi.
Date.
Date. Patat. Kha shabdani dhatu they are. Ka dhatu. Patat. padta hua. This they have given. Because today we are going to see Shatra Pratyaya. This is a Shatra Pratyayanta Rupa, Pathat. So we had seen, we will finish this Mati Shabda first and then we come to Shatra Pratyaya. Mati Shabda, Shabda Sankhya, Chatur Rasha. The first or second Strilinga Shabda. 1, 2, 7. Astu. Sundar ji कृपया पठतु मतिः.
मतिः मति मतयः मतिं मति मतिः मत्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः मत्यै मतये मत्यै या मतये मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः अथवा मतेः
मतेः.
मतेः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः मतेः अथवा मतेः मत्योः मतीनां मत्यां अथवा मतौ मत्योः मतिषु हे मते हे मति हे मतयः.
बहु सम्यक्, धन्यवादः. इम्पार्टेण्ट् पायिण्ट् हियर् इस् पञ्चमी एकवचनम् अपि मत्याः अस्ति, षष्ठी एकवचनम् अपि मत्याः अस्ति, मतेः अपि अस्ति. मत्याः मतेः उभयोः प्रयोगः अस्ति. आफ् बोत् देर् इस् प्रयोग आफ्टर्. अपि च मतिभ्यः मतिभ्यः चतुर्थपञ्चम, मतिभ्यां तृतीय चतुर्थपञ्चम सर्वे. दिस् इस् आल् वेल् नोन्. अस्तु. पठत शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. शत्र प्रत्यांत देखो परिशिष्ट में त्रि प्रत्यय के रूप. सो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ, शत्र प्रत्यांत शब्दों के रूप पुल्लिंग में पठत के तुल्य चलेंगे. प्रथमा वी विल सी दिस थिंग फर्स्ट बिफोर डूइंग द शब्द के पूरे रूप, बिकॉज व्हेन वी सी दिस इट विल बिकम इजियर. शत्र प्रत्यांत शब्दों के रूप पुल्लिंग में पठत के तुल्य चलेंगे. प्रथमा एक वचन में अंत में अन रहेगा, जैसे पठन गचन आदि. प्रथमा एक वचन. शेष रूप भगवत के तुल्य. सो पुल्लिंग विल बी लाइक भगवत. पुल्लिंग शब्द विल बी लाइक भगवत. सो ऑल पुल्लिंग. इफ आई वांट टू से लिखित, इफ फॉर बालक, somebody, some boy is reading, I will say patat. If I want to say for boy is writing, likhat. That. So all, whenever there is a pullinga karta, this will follow Bhagavat Shabda. And there is a Strilinga karta, it will follow a different Shabda. That also they will give below. But first we have to find this Parishisht mein Pathat. Kutra asti Pathat. प्रत्यांत शब्दों के रूप. They have given it in the Tri Pratyaya. Tri Pratyaya Rupa is right at the end, but I think in the PDF that thing is not there, if I'm not wrong. Is it there? I'm not sure. I have it in the book, but in the PDF we'll have to check. I'll just quickly check which page number in the book.
Sorry, which page in the book?
That also I saw it in the book, but I forgot, lost the page number. Anyway, we will come to it. I lost it. Okay, we come back to this. I lost the page number and we're losing time. So it is there. It is there in the PDF also. Parishisht mein, in the end, in the annex, it is there. What is important, they have given below. They have given a little bit, you see, patanti, etc. They have given. So we will, when we come to the niyama, we will have the full rupa. Anyway, we will find it in the table at some point. अभ्यास 5 में दिए गए द्वितीया के नियम का पुनः अभ्यास करो. ओके, अभ्यास 5 में दिए हुए द्वितीया के नियम. कौन सी है द्वितीया के नियम? All of this. Okay, we'll do this all. नियम दश. कर्ता में प्रथमा होती है, जैसे रामः पठति. The funny thing is, once we have come to 33, 34 abhyasa, now reading 5th abhyasa's niyama seems so simple. And when we were reading 5th abhyasa niyama, they seemed so complex. Niyama 10, 10th niyama, कर्ता में प्रथमा होती है. Everybody knows this. रामः, रमा, कर्ता में प्रथमा. किसी के संबोधन करने में संबोधन विभक्ति होते हैं. Giving all basic ones. कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म. कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म. This is सूत्र नंबर 1449. कर्तुरीप्सिततम कर्म. कर्ता जिसको बहुत चाहता है उसे कर्म कहते हैं. कर्मणि द्वितीया. कर्मणि द्वितीया 232 सूत्र नंबर. कर्म में द्वितीया होती है. All the most basic ideas are coming back. जैसे रामः विद्यालयं गच्छति, स पुस्तकं पठति, स रामं पश्यति, स फलम् इच्छति, स प्रश्नं पृच्छन्ति. All of this, फलं, पुष्पं, प्रश्नं, रामं, पुस्तकं, विद्यालयं, everything is in द्वितीया विभक्ति. अभितः, परितः, समया, निकषा, हा, प्रति, अनु के साथ द्वितीय होती है. So all these words will have द्वितीया. जैसे ग्रामम अभितः, गांव के दोनों ओर, both sides of the गांव. वनम निकषा समयावा, वन के समय. So for all these द्वितीया विभक्ति will come. गति अर्थ वाली धातुओं के साथ द्वितीया होती है. जैसे ग्रामम गच्छति, वनम विचरति, तृप्तिं गच्छति, स्मृतिं गच्छति. Smriting gachati. In that way, all the Dvitiya niyamas we have seen, but they are also simple now that we have come a little more advanced. I hope they are simple.
They were, but I couldn't distinguish between the 5 niyamas. Like, why did you need 5 of them?
One niyama spoke about Prathama Vibhakti. Karta mein Prathama. One niyama said Sambodhan. When you are calling somebody, use Sambodhan Vibhakti. One niyama said Karma mein Dvitiya. They could have put everything in one niyama, of course.
Okay, हाँ.
कर्ता में प्रतिमा, कर्म में द्वितीया एक ही नियम में हो सकता है, लेकिन they have split.
हाँ.
Okay.
Then they did 2 more, ना? दो क्या थी?
2 more. One niyama. There are a certain set of words. When you use those words, you have to use Dvitiya Bhakti. जैसे ग्रामम अभितः. On both sides of the गाम. So for example, ग्रामम अभितः वनम अस्ति. On both sides of the गाम, forest is there.
हाँ.
You will not
बीच
say
में है
you will not say gramasya abhitaha. That is what they want to say, because when we say both sides of is coming, gram ke is coming, k of and all is shashti vibhakti. But no, when abhitaha shabda comes, you have to use dvitiya vibhakti. Then 5th niyama was all gatyarthaka dhatus. When you go, all the dhatus that you use when you have to go somewhere, chalna ke arth. In all those dhatus also dvitiya vibhakti will come. Gramam gacchati. He is going to the grama. You will not say gramaya gacchati, because 2 is chaturthi, 2 and 4. Gram ko ja raha hai, we say in Hindi, but in English when we say he is going to his house, so we don't say grihaya gacchati, griham gacchati. So 5 niyamas they are given. 6 niyamas. There is one more. The other niyama was karma. What is karma? That was the other niyama. They could have put all 6 in one. Like for example, you see this niyama 127. If we put all 6 in this one niyama also, it won't take this much space. But they have chosen not to. Yes? Any question.
Akaji, you cannot hear me.
Yes, now I can. Sorry, you were saying
can.
something.
No, that's okay. So the one niyama which was the important one here was the chaturthi, right? It means in all other cases it will be chaturthi.
Which cases? Like when you are going
where
to...
is Chaturthi in this?
Yeah, I am a bit confused. Where is the Chaturthi?
Okay, so what we are saying is Tritiya for the Abhitaha and Tritiya for the Gati Arthaka Dhatu
Correct.
is an exception.
Correct.
So, if this is an exception, then Prathama is the rule.
No, Prathama is not the rule. See, when we say, okay, let's say you want to go to Gram, what would you say in Sanskrit? You want to go to your house, that's it. I go to my house.
So it is not gramasya, but it is gramam because abhitaha is the verb here.
Correct.
That I understood. But what I am missing here is these are the exceptions. So what is the rule? What is the primary rule that we are talking about here?
So rule is abhitaha paritaha shabda. Rule will depend on the context. See, for example, what can we say? After also is with here. You have to think of an example where Dvitiya Vibhakti is not obvious. Like, through the house. I am going through the house. I am going by the house. Or I am going by Shruti, you can say, right? I am going to go by Shruti. You will not say Shrutim because the context matters. When there is a location and Abhitaha Paritaha is used, when there is a location and on both sides of the location there is something, then Dvitiya Vibhakti has to be used. But if you say I am going by Shruti, you will have to use Tritiya Vibhakti. Shrutya. Correct. Shrutya. How is it said? What is Shruta or Shashti Vibhakti? Where is the pramanam for what you are saying? Shruta yaha pramanam. Or Panchami also you can use. Panchami is better. Sorry. Panchami. From Shruti.
Abhitaha, Parataha and all that we don't use so much because even if it is this side and that way, then Adaha, Uttama, those
Correct.
kind of words are more used than this Abhitaha, Parataha.
Yes. Right. But the idea is what matters, right? See, Prati also, like regarding that, you say Shrutim Prati. You will say regarding the Shruti, on the base of the Shruti, in that way, Prati, where that thing is the center. But if I want to say, I am using the Pramanam, so your exception, Avaji, that would be the one example maybe. The rule, you're saying this is the exception, Abhita, Parita, Shabda and all are exception. Okay, what is rule? So rule will be, let's say, what is the Pramanam? If I say, Jnana Devatu Kaivalyam, only from Jnana there is Moksha. What is the Pramanam? Somebody can come and ask. Shrutayaha Pramanam, Panchami Vibhakti, not Shrutim Pramanam. So for these words alone, Dvitiya Vibhakti is used. When there is a locus, physical location, and around that you are saying something. Or when there is a topic, and then around that you are saying something. But for other words, you will not use Dvitiya.
So ये पंचमी विभक्ति के exceptions हैं.
No, not just Panchami. You can also say Tritiya के exceptions है. Chaturthi का भी exception है. Shashti का भी exception है. The exception is not based on the vibhakti. The exception is based on the word. Abhitaha, Paritaha, all these words form the exception. When you see Abhitaha in the sentence, you will have to use Tritiya. You cannot say why they have said this. The exception is based on the word. Like for example, Abhitaha means both sides of in English. And in Hindi, दोनों और के, मतलब ये ग्राम के दोनों और, right? So के is which vibhakti?
Tritiya.
का के की इसका पुस्तक है,
सप्तमी,
इसका पुस्तक है, इसके अलावा, इसके और, इसके पात्र है, इसके गृह है, इसके घर है.
possession,
हाँ, so
षष्ठी,
correct, षष्ठी. So ideally you would say gram ke abhitah means you would say gramasya abhitah, right?
हाँ.
But you don't say that. When the abhita shabda comes, you have to use Dvitiya grama mantra. So the exception is not based on vibhakti, the exception is based on the word.
Of the word, okay.
A word we would never use really.
Yes. If the word is used, if at all,
in this context, it's a word that is rarely used,
yes.
but to understand how, I mean, I'm still figuring out some parts of Rachnanuvad Kaumudi, how is it, structured. So, जब ये कहा कि ये इसका अपवाद है, exception है, तो इसका main चीज क्या, मुझे वही नहीं मिलता है कहीं बार.
The exception is based on the rule, the word rule, not the vibhakti. Like if we say Dvitiya vibhakti is exception, it is not the Dvitiya is exception of Shashti. It is that word is exception of other words. And when this word comes, it will be Dvitiya. Like the word that we will use.
Are always around the dhatus?
Around dhatus. Even the Sanya Shabda that we see, right? Jiva Shabda is there. Jivaha. Jivaha is also based on Jiv Dhatu. Even today's Shabdas are all based on Dhatus only. So there will be on base Dhatu and then there will be Shabda. Like for example, for Sundarji's question on why these Shabdas we never use. Abhita Parita, yes, we may not use. But Prati and Anu we use. Even today, right? Or yesterday in Brihadaranyaka, Anu had come, right?
Yeah, Anu. Two meanings of Anu.
Correct. So that when Anu Shabda comes, you have to say Dvitiya Vibhakti. Anu. Anupashya yatha purve pratipashya tatha pare, that Swamiji quoted today also from Kathopanishad, right at the end. Generally when Anu, like Anuvachanam kirtayati, Prativachanam kirtayati, Anandagiri ji sometimes uses Prati Anu Shabdas. Then he will use Dvitiya. Except if it is completely out of context somewhere else and you have to use some other word based on a long sentence, then you may see another Bhakti. But Prati and Anu specifically, that is what they have said. Prati and Anu both will come for us. And when they come, you have to use. That's why they said, Abhitaha Paritaha Samaya Nikasha Ha Prati Anu के साथ द्वितीया होती है. So you can say Abhita Parita and all wherever, but Anu Prati I will use. So for them, use it. So they had said अभ्यास 5 में दिए गए द्वितीया के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो. The main sutra for Kshatriya and Shanach is this number Lataha 3 to 124. You can see that now. Lataha Kshatrishanacha Pratamasamanadikarane. This is the full sutra. This today somebody chanted before our class, before Brihadaranyaka. Mahalakshmi ji chanted, I think. Lataha Kshatrishanacha Pratamasamanadikarane. Basically, in Lataha, Vartamana arthe Pratama Bhinna Vibhakte. Pratama Bhinna Vibhakte. All vibhaktis outside of Pratama, other than Pratama. Vishaye, in the Vishaya of all vibhaktis other than Pratama vibhakti, Lat Lakarase Kshatrishanacha Adesho Bhavata. Adeshau, Dvitiya, Kshatrishanach, two are there, so Adeshaha, Adeshau. Adeshaha, Adeshau, Bhavataha. Bhavata also, Bhavati, Bhavataha. Dvitiya vibhakti is used for both. Kshatrishanach comes in Vartamana Artha, that is going. ing rupa, like how we say continuous tense in English.
Present continuous.
Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, all continuous. Kshatrishanacha will come. All can come. They are going to give examples. Lat के स्थान पर परस्मय पद में शत्र और आत्मनेय पद में शानच. शत्र का अत और शानच का आन शेष रहता है. So for example, an van it will become like how we had said for this. There is an important point here. So sometimes when we will come to Shanaj Pratyaya next abhyasa only, but just because that Sandarbha has come, Shanaj Pratyaya an shesha rehta hai. Like how we say in Kathopanishad and Mundakopanishad, there is that mantra avidyayam antare vartamanaha an shesha swayam dhira panditam manyamanaha manyamana ana. In that is Atmanepada continuous tense. So an is rest. Some dhatus you will say van, not man. You will see van, and this van will be very similar to Pathita van, which is not Shanaj. That is Tavatu. Pathita van shabda is Tavatu pratyaya. But there will be some words. For example, I think Bhu dhatu even you can check. Bhu dhatu, let us check. Dhatu partha hai. Even if you check Bhu dhatu, first one itself is there. And now you go to Kridante and you see it is Bhutavan Tavatu and Shanaj. Shanaj is not here, but it will be similar. Like Kshatriya, Bhavan, it will become Bhavan or Achar. Because this is Parasmay Pada, there is no Shanaj. We will have to check for Atmani Pada. Chal Dhatu, maybe Atmani Pada. Here you see Chalaya Mana they have given. But there will be some where the Rupa will be difficult to even this you can say, right? Tavatu is Chalitavan and Shanach is Chalaya Manaha. Both are ending in an only. So when they say an shesha rehta hai, you have to see the meaning and see the context. Is it in past tense or is it in past continuous or is it in future continuous or present tense? If it is in present or future, then obviously it is only Shanach. If it is past, is it past Bhutakal or is it past continuous? If it is past continuous, then it is Shanach. Just past will be Kavatu. So this is something that may be confusing. But later on we will see examples. Is this, did what I say confuse everyone or is it okay?
No, Shatru, Shanaj, it is for continuous.
Correct.
And if it is simple past,
yes,
then it is Tavatu, right?
Correct. Wonderful. Satyam. Bahu samyak asti. Correct.
होते के जैसा बोल दिया पूरा पर मतलब sentence तो समझ में आया. Now when we do the exercises,
yes. So this, now that we are seeing multiple one by one many pratyayas, right, from Nich to Sun to Kta and Ktavatu to now Shatru Shanach, and beach mein we have already seen Matu pratyaya, Vatu, that Vani pratyaya, Manin pratyaya, different pratyayas, small pratyayas also we have seen. Matu is the main one. Now that we know that different pratyayas have different meanings, you can always say Nishtha pratyaya for Bhutakal only. When there is Kta and Ktavatu pratyaya, which are called Nishtha, Ktavatu Nishtha, those two pratyayas will always be only in past tense. Simple past, Bhutakal only. They are not going to make any appearances in present and future. If it were present and future, it is one of these and other pratyayas. लट के स्थान पर परस्मय पद में शत्रु होता है और आत्मनेय पद में शानच. सो इन परस्मय पद धातु you will not find शानच. In आत्मनेय पद धातु you will not find शत्रु. This is another point here. I say bhu dhatu is parasmay pada. I cannot use shanach pratyaya with bhu dhatu. I cannot say bhavamana or bhutamana or something like that. That is the other point. शत्रु के अथ और शानच का आन शेष रहता है. शत्रु प्रत्यांत के लिंग वचन और कारक विशेष के तुल्य होते हैं. सो लाइक क्त एंड ktavatu. all three lingas it will work. Shatra pratyant shabd ke roop pulling में पठत. पठत will be like भगवत शब्द. जुहोत आदि की धातुओं में in नहीं लगेगा. What is this in? They are going to give later. जैसे ददत ददतौ ददतः, ददतं ददतौ ददतः, दध्या दध्या, in that way, ददता दध्याम दतिः, in the same way as भगवत शब्द. So here when they say पठत शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो, right, you can take भगवत शब्द and you can just see how भगवत शब्द has declined, which we have seen already. We'll see that again. This Bhagavat Shabda is there. Pathat also will be the same, it will follow similar one, right? Yes. For Pullinga it will follow Patat, Bhagavat. For Napumsakalinga it will follow Jagat, Jagat, Jagati in that way. And for Srilinga it follows Nadi. But Patat is separate. Any question? Okay. पूरे रोग स्मरण करो. अस्तु. Back to Niyama. So they have given the first three, Dadat, Dadatau, Dadaha, Dadataha. In that way, the Patat also will, Patat, Patatau, Patataha. They will give more examples. Sometimes there will be some differences from Bhagavat, but they are going to give examples here. So that will be the Moola that we can use. So Pullinga में Patat, Patat के तुल्य. स्त्रीलिंग में लगाकर नदी के तुल्य, नपुंसकलिंग में जगत के तुल्य. So they have not given भगवत के तुल्य, so we shouldn't take that. We can take पठत के तुल्य only for now. I think that is better. नपुंसकलिंग में जगत और नदी, स्त्रीलिंग में नदी we just saw, but पुल्लिंग में पठत के तुल्य. What we can do when we don't have this kind of dadat, dadatau, dadataha, I cannot find the rupa somewhere. So we should be able to find. But if at all this kind of rupa there is some confusion, sometimes you can take clues from other shabdas which are similar. Like for example, Hari and Guru, if I want to take, right? I know through eco energy, samprasaranam, etc. I know that the ikara is linked to yakara. And I know that the ukara is linked to vakara. So if I say Chaturthi Ekavachanam of Hari is Haraye, E is linked to Ya. Chaturthi Ekavachanam of Guru, because U should be linked to Va, so I can quickly say Gurave. There are some small tricks like this that we can take.
Like this.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes. So there will be, in Vyakarana this will all connect. You know, when you have like the big picture, you can connect different ideas and it will make sense. But you have to know which to connect and which not to. But there will be some that you can easily connect and you don't know, like if you don't know the first few steps, you can take some clues from somewhere else. But this Patat Shabda, if we can find it, will be nice to read it.
Why don't we just look for it and then in our Ashtastra?
I think that is the way. You are correct. You can just look at it here. So Pat Dhatu. I'm still not sure. Okay. So here, this is another easy trick. So once you go in to this Kridante, right? When you go into Kridante and you just click on anything, you'll find the whole Rupa. So how the word is formed, what the Rupa is. So for example, Patit, how Patit is formed, and Shatra, Patat, how Shatra, and Prayoga, they have not given. You have to check here. So when you check here, you see the whole thing is here. Patat Shabda, Subanta, that is why they have not given, you see. It is Subanta, the Subanta Rupani. They didn't give it along with the other Shabdas, but we can read this. You see, Patan, Patantau, Patantaha, Patantam, Patantau, Patataha. पठता पठद्भ्यां पठद्भिः पठते पठद्भ्यां पठद्भ्यः पठतः पठद्भ्यां पठद्भ्यः पठतः पठतोः पठतां पठति पठतोः पठत्सु हे पठन् हे पठन्तौ हे पठन्तः. Another trick. So this is patat.
Bhagavan, right?
हाँ, it is very
exactly like that.
exactly. Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha, Bhagavantam, Bhagavantau, Bhagavataha. In that way only. But akara is not there. It will be only Bhagavat will become Bhagavan. But patat will not become patan. It is only patan. That is the difference here. There is another trick here. So you see, Tritiya Dvivachanam, Chaturthi Dvivachanam, Panchami Dvivachanam, they are all patadbhyam, right? So recently there was that question in Brihadaranyaka. Dig Shabda, Tritiya Dvivachanam, what is it? So we can instinctively say, even if I don't know Dig Shabda fully, I will be instinctively able to say it is Digbhyam, based on Patadbhyam, based on other Shabdas also in this way. So once we know a couple of these Shabdas and we're very comfortable with it, the others also become easy. Thank you, Sundarji, for this idea. This is a very good resource for us. We just go in and check what their rupa is. Astu. स्त्रीलिंग में ई लगाकर नदी, नपुंसकलिंग में जगत के तुल्य रूप चलेंगे. शत्रु और शाणज क्रिया का वर्तमानता का बोध कराते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट दैट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस व्हाट वी से. जैसे वह जा रहा है और वह जा रहा था, बोथ यू कैन से. वह जा रहा है विल बी पठन अस्ति, बिकॉज the prathama vibhakti ekavachanam of patan pullinga is patat pullinga is patan, right? Sa wo vah ja raha hai, saha patan asti. So what would be vah ja raha tha?
Saha patan.
That is he went.
Patan asti.
Sa patan asit. Your idea is correct. So Patan will stay because Patan is the rupa of Shatra.
Patan has to stay. Sa Patan asit.
Correct.
Asti will become asit.
Correct. So and again va ja raha hoga or va ja raha, he will be going. कैसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में? वह जा रहा जा रहेगा. हाँ, जा ही रहेगा. वैसे अगर बोलना है तो कैसे बोलते हैं? सब पठन, I mean Gachan here, but Patan if I want to say.
Patan रखना है, no. अस्ति आसीत उसका future tense करना है.
हाँ, लिंग में क्या होगा? अस्ति लट लंग, सॉरी लिट में लंग आसीत, लिट में फ्यूचर भविष्यति. So स पठन भविष्यति, so गच्छन भविष्यति, that way. Or you can use, or Gamishyati, it will be that way. Asti, Asi, this came, right? This had come for us. It's not new, right? As dhatu.
Cannot be new.
As bhuvi dhatu, this one, to be or exist. When you'd say, I want kartari, lang, lit lakara, parasmay padam, you see, bhavishyati. As dhatu, kartari, parasmay padam, lit lakara, bhavishyati. Like how lang lakara is asit. Like sapatan asit or sapatan asti. So if I want to say in lit lakara, sapatan bhavishyati.
Yes.
Maybe we did it right at the beginning, so I forgot. I think it was one of the first few abhyasas. As dhatu will not have a separate rupa except the first four. Lat, lot, lang, vidhiling. There we will have as. Saradhatuka. That's saradhatu lakara. The other six, it will be along, following the bhudhatu. Bhavishyati, bhavishyataha in that way. Babhuva, same thing. Asdhatu does not have independent rupa for the lakaras other than the first four. That lot, lang, vidhi. अस्तु, सो वह जा रहा है, स गच्छन् अस्ति, दे हैव गिवन आदि, स गच्छन् आसीत्, स गच्छन् भविष्यति इति अर्थ। शत्रु प्रत्यय में भी विकरण आदि होते हैं, अतः शत्रु प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने की अति सरल प्रकार ये है कि उस धातु के लट प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन के रूप में से अंतिम ई और बीच के इन को हटा दे। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लट के प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन, पठ धातु प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन किं भवति? हाँ, पठन्ति, सत्यम। इसके रूप में से अंतिम ई हटा दो तो क्या होंगे? पठन्त। हाँ, पठत, दैट्स ऑल, पठत। शत्रु प्रत्यय में भी विकरण आदि होते हैं, अतः शत्रु प्रत्यय लगाकर बनाने के अति सरल प्रकार ये है। सो शत्रु प्रत्यय पठत शब्द, इन पुल्लिंग इट विल बिकम पठन, इन स्त्रीलिंग इट विल बिकम पठति, एंड इन नपुंसकलिंग इट विल पठत। But Rupa, Patat, Mula is...
Sorry. In Sri-Lanka, it will become Patati, right? With the Dirghai.
Yes. Like how we had seen, right? Here, for example.
And Napunsaklinga will become Patatam. No,
Patat. They will give here. You see here? Sat. For As Dhatu, they have given Sat. This is important. This is very important, like in this sense. Like San, Sati, Sat. For Vedanta, this is very important. Like Sat Eva, and we say Sadeva Somya Idamagrasi, Sat Eva, Sat, or Sun, Bhavishyati Sun, in that way we'll say. Even though it is there, while that is the case, in that sense, Sun, Sati, Sat. Of course, Sadeva Somya Idamagrasi, maybe we shouldn't connect here. But Sat, Sun, Sadi, Sat, etc., while that is true, while it is there, while that is the case, in that way. So sun will be in different many Vedantic Granthas, these three books, these three shabdas are all very common. San, Sati, Sat. In the same way, Patat, Kadat, Bhavat, not Bhavat, some other word. Bhavat, you can use. कहाँ थे हम? कुत्र सन्ति वयं? यहाँ। इस प्रकार प्रायः शत्रु प्रत्यय वाला रूप बच जाता है। जैसे भू टू भवंती, शत्रु विल बी अंतिम ई और बीच के इन हटाना है तो इट विल बिकम भवत। इज दिस ओके? I hope it is not confused.
प्रथम बहुवचन,
correct,
was पठन्ति, तो उसने का न हटा दिया और ई हटा दिया तो पठत रह गया।
बस इतना ही है। तो ये शत्रु प्रत्यय के रूप है। After this शत्रु प्रत्यय मूल रूप that we have, in Pullinga it will take a form, in Strilinga it takes a form, and in Napumsakalinga it takes a form.
So ये शत्रु प्रत्यय में इसका मूल रूप है, जैसे
Pathat is the रूप। So शत्रु के, for example, there again Bhavanti, right? Bhavanti, शत्रु में Bhavat, that.
Yeah, Bhavanti is the shabda.
हाँ.
Itself. But Bhavat is the मूल, अभी this is just a रूप, इसका और कुछ होगा आपके?
नहीं, Bhavat is शत्रु प्रत्ययांत रूप, that's all. This Bhavat will transform in Pullinga and Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga will stay Bhavat. Bhavanti is Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. Patati, Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti.
Bhavanti, correct.
In that Bhavanti has that, so the E and in have to go. So after E and go, what is that? Bhavat.
Bhavat.
So that Bhavat is come. As, Santi to Sat. That is what we have just seen. Gam, Gachanti. So Gachanti में E और in हटा के क्या रहेगा? Gachat. Gachat will stay. Pibanti, Pibat. This is the शत्रु प्रत्ययांत रूप है। शत्रु प्रत्ययांत के बाद अर्थ के अनुसार अस धातु का प्रयोग करो। That is what we saw. Like how we say sa gachan asti, but if I am saying swa ja raha tha, I will say as dhatu only, but in lang lakara.
Bhavishyati.
In rit lakara bhavishyati, lang lakara asit. Sa gachan asit, past. Sa gachan bhavishyati. Done.
So this
Okay, so
The same thing they are given here.
it will be like pibat bhavishyati,
Correct.
pibat asti, as such, right?
Piban, based on which linga. So if it were a napumsakalinga, it will be pibat, but no napumsakalinga is ever going to drink water. It is either going to be a pullinga or a strilinga. So if a man is drinking water, you say piban asit, or if a woman is drinking water, you say pibati asit.
when Ganesh Murthy drinks milk,
Piban asti satyam.
Piban or Pibat?
Piban, of course.
It's a male deity, no?
Yes. यथा, so they are given क्षत्रप्रत्यय अनुसार ये, and वर्तमान में लट, भूत में लंग, भविष्य में भविष्यत में लिट, that we have seen. यथा स गच्छन अस्ति, जा रहा है, तौ गच्छन तौ स्तः. So vachana also will change. Till now we have been seeing linga and vibhakti, linga and purusha, but vachana, sorry, lakara and vachana also becomes different. Dvivachana, bahuvachana. Aham gachan asmi. In the same way, aham piban asmi, aham patan asmi, and or we can say aham patati asmi if for female. So based on linga and lakara, that also will change. For male it is one, female and neuter also it is one. So gachan asit bhavishyati va. Shatra pratyant के स्त्रीलिंग का स्त्रीलिंग बनाना. So there is a difference in Shatra pratyant के स्त्रीलिंग. There is a sutra here. So there is a sutra. This sutra number is 7181. Shap Shyanor Nityam. Shap Shyanor Nityam. When we saw Gana, right, we have not put the Akshar Vikarana Pratyaya, we only put the Akshara. But this Bhwadi Gana, if you remember right at the beginning of the first Gana, this must have been Abhyasa 20 or something. Bhwadi Gana, there is a sutra, Kartari Shap. That Shap becomes A. This is all a bit Laghu kind of level. This is not Rachananu Adhikavadi level, so we don't have to go very deep in it. What we have to know is when we say there is a Vikarana Pratyaya, the Moola Pratyaya is one and the Akshara becomes one. So Vikarana Pratyaya of Lat Lakar Bhadigana is A. That is why we say Has Dhatu becomes Hasati. Has Dhatu will not be Hasti. Hasti is elephant. Hasati is laughing. Hasati, that A is added. That A is called Shap. Shap has become A in Vyakarana language. Now why this is called Shap etc. is Laghu level, not now. So Shap Shyanor Nityam. What it says is because Bhadigana is linked to Shap. So they are saying like Vadigana, Divadigana, Churadigana, Tudadigana. These four Gana, all the Dhatus in these four Ganas, like Bhu Dhatu Bhavati, Div Dhatu Divyati, Chur Dhatu Chorayati. So all niche type of Dhatus. Tud Dhatu Tudati. In all these, धातु के लट प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन में रूप में अंत में ई जोड़ दो. जैसे गच्छन्ति से गच्छन्ति. So you can do this. अंतिम. What they mean is prathama purusha bahuvachana. What is the prathama purusha bahuvachana of gam dhatu, for example? Te dash. What will we say? Again it happened. Sorry, your hand was raised, Abari. Any question or I couldn't hear you?
No. So in between, Sundarji was saying something and you were not responding.
Yeah.
So after he, then I raised hand to just,
So from tomorrow I'm going to use my phone only for these sessions till this laptop gets fixed. Sorry. What is the question, Sundarji?
Sorry, I even forgotten the question, but the 7154 was the number, is it?
No, 7181.
Then your question was to answer to your question, Gachanti. Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana Rupa you had asked.
Correct. That is Gachanti. Correct. So, but that is Gachanti with small Hrasva Ikara.
Rasva. Yeah.
But in Strilinga, this Hrasva will become Dirgha. Gachanti. That will be Strilinga Rupa. Yeah. Sorry about I don't know why this laptop suddenly, but
there must be something that is triggering it to happen.
Yeah, I have seen actually that a lot of people have complained about this online, but there is no answer. So we've got to find some solution. Anyway, I'll use my phone until then. Gachanti se Gachanti ho gaya. So for Strilinga, it will become Gachanti, and accordingly the Rupa also will change. So Gachanti is Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Rama Gachanti asti. But if I want to say Sarve Ramaha, let us say there are 4 Ramas in this in Rishikesh. All Ramas are going somewhere to Haridwar. Sarve Ramaha Gacchantyaha. Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha. This Rupa, how we can check. So Gam Dhatu, you go to again Kridante, and then Shatra, Gachanti. So the whole thing is given. Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha.
So it follows a bit like Nadi.
Yes.
Nadi, Nadyau.
Not bit, exactly. Exactly like Nadi.
Nadi, Nadyau.
Nadya, हाँ. That is why they had said स्त्रीलिंग में ई लगाकर नदी के तुल्य. Exactly Nadi, it will follow. But they have given this roundabout way of saying Rasva I, Dirgha I. You can just say it as like Nadi Shabd. Jati hui, Gachanti. Jati hui thi. If I said Jati hui thi, what would it be? जाती हुई थी लंग लकारे. Like वह जा रहा था. गच्छन अस्ति was जा रहा है. जा रहा था was गच्छन. Same thing.
तो आपने क्या पूछा अभी?
जाती हुई यहाँ पे लिखा है ना. हाँ, जाती हुई थी, जाती हुई. She was basically.
So it's already there, right?
Gachanti asit. Bas. Gachanti is jati hui. So if you want to say in present tense, Gachanti asti, sa Gachanti asti, or sa Gachanti asit, or sa Gachanti bhavishyat. Same for patanti. Here they had given ja raha hai, gam dhatu, gachan asit. So Gachanti asit. That's all. Gachan is for pullinga. Vaha ja raha hai. That person, that guy is going. Va, wo. And here Gachanti for Strilinga. Patanti, Pibanti, Divyanti. So Divyanti, Divyantyau, Divantaha, Tudanti, etc. Adadi, Swadi. Sorry, we are a bit about time, but I'll just finish this. Adadi, Swadi, Kriyadi, Tanadi, Juhotyadi. In these all ganas, धातु में प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन में ई लगेगा, इन नहीं. जैसे रुदंती नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे गच्छन्ति है ना. So it will not be like गच्छन्ति, it will just become रुदति, not रुदंती. शृण्वति, क्रीणति. So we have to know which dhatu is in which gana, or at least which dhatu declines in which way. Based on that Shatra Pratyaya we can put. So if there is any doubt on which dhatu is in which gana and how it declines, etc., for support we have Ashtadhyaya, but dhatu patha will be very helpful in these cases.
That table with ganas,
Haan.
You just send that, even if it is not complete, it's okay.
Yes.
But it's easier to make notes of it.
Sure, right away. I'm going to put it on the Google group immediately.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's not complete also.
Okay. This is what we have.
When we talk about ganas, we need to know, it's better to note it in one place.
Sure. This is what we have. So what ideally this conclusion would be one more column and sutra.
Yeah, that we will do anyway, but just the draft version one,
sure.
we can always scribble on it and then.
Yes, sure. I will put it on the group.
Okay.
Om Purnamadaಃ Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Varadatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagini Vyomavadyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om